Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to chapter 21 of Absolute Resonance. This is Angelwood Hollow, and this greenwood pillar will be used for cultivation. Want to know what's it all about? Just go up and take a look. Wow! Why is there a emerald mist all over the place? This doesn't seem to be a person. It seems to be some kind of spirit or entity. Don't dodge, absorb them. The mist directly seeped into the resonant palaces. This energy is unusually pure and forgiving. It doesn't even need any effort to process it. It can be absorbed just like spirit liquids and purifying lights. You can call these things absinthe puppets. They are formed from the mystical energy in Angelwood Hollow. These energies are extremely pure. As long as they are absorbed, they can be transformed into one's own resonant power. Besides, it also improves your resonance. It has the same effect as spirit liquids and purifying lights, making it an alternative. But as magical as this energy is, there is a daily limit, and when divided up across the halls, the amount reserved for one-star college students is even smaller. You five squads should try to climb as much as possible every day. Otherwise, the more one has, the less there would be for the other squads. Since we all understand now, then let's get started. Today is the fourth day. Liluo's squad has now overtaken Wang Hiju's team and taken first place. Dual resonance is really impressive. It seems that Liluo will be the first to challenge the 20th floor. Just because they are the first to challenge it doesn't mean they will be the first to pass it. The difficulty of the 20th level is not something that can be compared to the 10th level. Although Liluo has dual resonance, I think it will be difficult for him to pass it on the first try. 20th level. Leader, we are already exhausted. We should be at the second changing of evolving resonance tier. Why don't we come back tomorrow? Today's task must be completed today, and I definitely want to taste that juiciness. Besides, it's not the third changing of evolving resonance tier. Leader, you always make us feel safe in times of danger. Carry on with the bragging, leader. Also, if there is only this one puppet on this level, we have hit the jackpot. You close beak. I. There are too many of them. Follow plan 2 and move accordingly. Hang in there. I'll help you guys after I take care of this one. That's just it. The way it feels right now, the power accumulated in my resonance palace is in no way inferior to the second changing of evolving resonance tier. Resonant bubble. The newly upgraded 7 resonant bubbles, as well as a resonance skill that has just been mastered. I would appreciate some feedback. Tiger General Resonance Art. 1000 watery knives art. Isn't this an advanced form of water edge art? This skill is really amazing. Ugh, awesome. It's worthy of being a difficult resonance art that can only be mastered at the fifth pattern. In the future, combined with the light resonance energy, perhaps it could even rival a dragon general resonance art in power. Ah, leader, please think about it later. I can't hold on much longer. Coming. Ah, look, Liluo has cleared the 20th level. He managed to eat the most delicious bite. When did Liluo become so strong? Seems like the one-star hall representative for the ticket match will be between you two. I don't really care about representing, but I have wanted to fight him for a long time. Is it possible for Liluo to become the strongest one-star hall student in each divine continent during the Holy Grail meet? That would be a real glory that Astral Sage College hasn't seen before. That's a pretty bold declaration. For the next half month, the Fairness and Justice Squad worked their butts off, cultivated furiously within Angelwood Hollow. Their growth is also increasingly receiving attention from all sides of the college. But what surprised everyone was that the first person to break through to the evolving resonance tier was actually Kinjulu. He immediately catapulted past Liluo to become the most favored for representing the one-star hall. However, Liluo seems to have entered a bottleneck with no signs of breakthrough. Can Liluo do it? Is he as really strong as the rumors say? Advancing too quickly may still have vulnerabilities. I have 4 resonances. Of course, the advancing will be slower than someone with a single resonance. But the biggest problem now is that it is becoming increasingly difficult to break through. After the 30th level, I can only advance one level almost every day. What should I do? At this point in time, leader, you have the mindset of a strong man. So you always think of relying on your own strength. I do have an idea. Look, Lilu and his squad have made it past the 36th level. This fellow actually considered collaborating with King Julu. That's quite a talent. This guy is pretty skilled. It's truly a good method. We should go find people to collaborate with as well. Next day, 38th level. We have conquered the 30th level. Is there still no sign of a breakthrough? Don't let the rumors bother you. You are going to succeed for sure. Look, it's Wang Hejiu and his squad. There are only 5 teams in total, and by Dodo's squad has already decided to join force with Yi Lisha. So who did they join forces with? Ah, Ye Kyuding. Aren't they students from the 2-star hall? Well, the chapter ends here, guys. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next chapter very soon. Thank you.
Every time I think